Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in your Instagram application. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram here. Then you need to go to the messenger icon here, as you can see in the right corner. You need to tap on the messenger icon here. Then you need to tap on the edit icon here, as you can see pencil with the pencil icon. You need to tap in the right corner here. Then you need to select the people then you want to create a group with or send a message in the group. So I'm going to choose some of the people from random selection here. So you can just scroll down and add more people in the group. Then you need to just tap chat here in the right corner, as you can see. So as you can see, the group is created here with the two people here. As you can see, also you can see the there's a see group members here option. You can see the group from here, and if you want to send any message from here, you just have to tap here and you can send any message from here. You can also send image or any other gif from here. And also if you want to make a video call or any call here, you can see in the right corner, you can make a video call from here in the right corner here. And also you can name this group here. As you can see, there's an option called name this group. So that's it guys, this is how you make a group in your Instagram, group chat in Instagram. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.